let's be for real. Everybody in here knows that I'm more for action than talking.
You're looking like bitches in a circle. Get your candy asses in here.
Wow!
And we have the opportunity to be so up close and personal with these WWE superstars. When you're next
to the heads, I am a midget next to this guy. So let's just get to the point. Why don't you come on out?
If you smile, what is cooking?
Miami's own The Rock!
Gotta be kidding me! What? No way! What?
He's come home to... Listen to these people. This is nuts.
This is incredible.
Because The Rock plans on going to WrestleMania like he announced, we're going to break WrestleMania records. So The Rock... Well, this is the time where we go off the script.
Oh, boy.
I am not someone that's easy to miss.
Eyebrow raising. This is Miami. We're starting to trend. So say hello to my little friend.
Look at me. And if you got a problem with me, I promise you I'm not hard to find.
In front of the millions.
So we can get a look in the eyes of a real monster.
Finally, The Rock has come back.
Man, enough. I don't need any of your damn advice.
I just got to ask you a question. What's amazing is the fact that you are that entertaining when you still wear llama penises strapped to your head.
What? Then why don't he try it at Crown Jewel?
No. So you got to get it in your head. See,
if he's so destined to show the world that I'm normal.
Big Mama didn't like that. You know what's amazing is that you are so big and you're so strong, yet you are so nerdy. It's almost as if the Incredible Hulk banged Urkel.
What? Enough. We can stand out here and talk about what we're going to do to each other, Crown Jewel, all night long.
See, here's the thing, right? Here's the thing. The Rock knows all about you, right? You're legit.
But let's be for real. Everybody in here knows that I'm more for action than talking.
You're looking like bitches in a circle. Get your candy asses in here. Pie eating, trailblazing, eyebrow raising, from Los Angeles all the way to Japan. You're getting ready to get your monkey ass whooped by The Rock.
Wow!
It's been a long time.
I love you, SmackDown. If you're some man, what The Rock is